I really like this quote, and that's one thing I wanted to share with you this morning to get our mindset positive and not to look at problems, difficulties, challenges as something that is bad. Problems are good, and I hope this quote that I just recently read will resonate with you. It goes a little something like this. I asked for strength, and God gave me difficulties to make me strong. I asked for wisdom, and God gave me problems to solve. I asked for prosperity, and God gave me brain and brawn to work. I asked for courage. God gave me danger to overcome. I asked for love, and God gave me troubled people to help. I asked for favors, and God gave me opportunities. I received nothing I wanted. I received everything I needed. I literally have goosebumps from that right there. So a lot of the times we don't ask for the problems. We don't ask for the difficulties. We don't ask for the challenges. We don't ask for all these unexpected bills and expenses. But we didn't want any of that. But that is everything that we needed. We needed that. And because that's how we become stronger. That's how we become better. That's how we grow as not only beauty professionals, but also just people. So many times we wish life was easier. We wish, why isn't this easier? Why doesn't this just happen? Why is this not just coming to me? And one of the philosophies that I literally live by is I do not wish it was easier. I wish I was better. So instead of me hoping life is easier, me hoping that I don't see problems, me hoping that these challenges, these difficulties don't come to me, instead of me hoping that, it's better for me to just improve myself, me to get better at it. So next time this obstacle comes again, because it will, do you honestly believe that once you overcome a problem, you're not going to encounter that problem again? But imagine how much better you are prepared, how much ready you are, because now you have the skills, the challenge, the skills to face those challenges, right? So next time it comes, it's going to be easier. And it comes again, easier. Then next at that, it's not even a problem anymore. It's just something that's on the road that you just swerve and you just go around because you already know how to deal with it. So again, I asked for strength. God gave me difficulties to make me strong. Ironically, so again, I'm right here working out, trying to get my gains. Getting there, working every single freaking day with my boy KJ. We working out, and if I want to get strong, when the weight drops down on me, I have to push it off. Does that make sense? So the weight comes down, I push, and it's uncomfortable, it's painful, I'm sore. I have to wake up early to do this. But every time I'm pushing that weight again, I'm able to lift more, because I'm getting better, I'm getting stronger, I'm able to handle it. So where I once was able to only lift a little, I'm able to lift a little bit more, right? And that's just how business is. So again, I'm going to read this quote one more time because I just am in love with it and it just resonates with me. I asked for strength, and God gave me difficulties to make me strong. I asked for wisdom, and God gave me problems to solve. I asked for prosperity, and God gave me both the brain and the brawn to work. I asked for courage, and God gave me danger to overcome. I asked for love, and God gave me troubled people to help. Oh my God, I feel that. And I hope you feel that in your aesthetics business, with all the people struggling with acne, rosacea, pigmentation, wrinkles, the pain, and you are in this powerful position to help them. You have been chosen to do this and to serve, again, I say God, I am religious, to each their own. And so I will use that. You can use whatever works for you. But God chose you to help these people. And through that, you will discover what love is in different levels. You know, I asked for favors, and then God gave me these opportunities. God gave you the internet. God gave you, it wasn't, I don't even know what that guy's name is. Mark Zucks, right? It wasn't him that gave, you know, who do you think where he got it from? God gave it to, right? Whatever. Everything's from, I don't know, that's me. Yeah, I received nothing that I wanted. No one asked for the problems, the difficulties, the hard work, the danger, the troubles, you know, all that. I received nothing that I wanted, but you received everything that you needed. So I hope this resonates with you. I feel this to my core, and I just love the way it sounds. So be amazing. Understand that everything that's coming to you, if it's coming to you again and again and again and again, it's because you probably have not developed the skill set yet. And again, that's the cool part. Yet you can develop a skill set instantly, within minutes, within hours, within a day, within a week, where whatever the difficulty that comes across your business, your life, etc., you can handle, because you are stronger and you are strong. I believe in you. I am in this group. I do these videos. I am committed to you, not because I'm an idiot, not because I have nothing better to do, but because I see an opportunity with you, with the amazing bold beauty boss that you are, that I believe in you so much. I'm willing to spend, and not even spend, invest my time in you, because through you, we can work well together and do so many amazing things. Through your gift, through your talent, through your knowledge, through your ability, through your perseverance. And I just believe in you so strong. And just follow me blindly. I tell people, follow me blindly. I will not lead you astray. I will not lead you astray. My goal in this group, in the beauty business, is to find out how we can make money together. I don't want to make money from you. I have money. I'm cool. I'm not stressing off of it, but I'm a capitalist pig. I'll take more. But if, 1 + 1 doesn't always equal 2, right? 1 + 1, the right synergy hits, you can get 1 + 1 = 10. And that's what I feel inside me, that leads me back to you, your aesthetics business, and the need and the desire to work with you. So I asked for love, and God gave me a lot of troubled estheticians that are struggling in the business because they just didn't learn this part of it. And so I am blessed, and I'm discovering love through you. So thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for being a part of this group. Thank you for showing me the reciprocity of love and trust as well. And I will never abuse that. I'm with you to the end, right? Be amazing. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. And have a great day.